Hello my foodies, it's CiCi here. Tomato egg drop soup is one of my favorite type of egg drop soup. Now that the weather is getting cooler, it's kind of cold now. So egg drop soup always sounds so comforting, sounds really nice, and my egg drop soup is gonna be silky, and just delicious. Let's get started. To make a really simple chicken stock, in a pot, we're gonna add about 6 cups of water and over high heat add in the chicken bones. So when I was cutting them, making other dishes, I intentionally left some meat on the bones so I can use it for chicken stock. And bring to a boil for about 3 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna cut some ginger slices. Now I'm going to remove the water in here because we want to take away the blood and also its gamey taste. And again, Smells so good. Mmm. Mmm. This is so amazing. This is the kind of soup that makes me happy. A lot of people say comfort food is like mac and cheese or some kind of chocolate or some kind of cake. But to me, soup makes me happy. It's just so comforting. It's silky smooth egg. It's really, really nice and delicious. 100 times better than any takeout places. Okay guys, I hope that you enjoyed today's episode. If you like it, remember to subscribe, thumbs up. Also share this awesome videos with your friends and your family. Bye bye!